Hey, what is up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. So as you guys can hear, I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but there's some rattling going on here. You can kind of hear the rattling going on, and let me just pull up the window again. So basically what's happening is I think earlier during the week it was raining, there was a huge puddle, and I ended up going through it. I was on a, kind of a two-way, or like a two-way, just two lanes, and the other lane was already occupied. I had to go through the puddle, and unfortunately that ended up either breaking or undoing something on the exhaust heat shield. Now tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and look into it. I'm just coming off of work, and actually this has been going on for a while, maybe about 3 days now. It happened, let's say about 4 days. I first caught on Friday night, then Saturday and Sunday, but unfortunately I was busy doing stuff for the E46, which ended up having a lot of overheating issues. My expansion tank ended up, I don't know, I changed the radiator and the expansion tank. I guess it wasn't sitting right, or for some reason I saw that the cover for the fan ended up being lifted. So eventually what ended up happening was that the belt ended up touching with the expansion tank. So that ended up happening. So I had to replace a lot of stuff, and it took a lot out of doing this here, especially as I also did the projector bulbs onto the E46 as well. And I mean, this is just a heat shield, so I wasn't too worried about it, but it is really annoying, and it's kind of embarrassing if you're driving. If you drive on a daily basis, it's really embarrassing due to the fact that everyone can hear it clunking. It's you go put gas, people hear you. You drive all around and people can hear it. You're at a stop sign, people can hear it. And I mean, for a 2015 car, or if in your case it's a 2016, 17, 18, or even a 2012 in this case, because this is really common on these cars, you don't have to go under a puddle. It will end up happening itself, and as well as this other noise that it does every time I brake. It doesn't really happen all the time, but it does happen very often. Those are things that I gotta get fixing on this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at it. Usually what happens is with the heat shield, you might just want to put some washers if it's the kind that has like a, if I wasn't correct, I think I read somewhere, which is an M5 nut. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and look at it and see if I can just remove it. I mean, for me, the heat shield, if I look at it and there's nothing that it's really protecting, and it's only just to reduce heat in the cabin, or probably it's not even that it's reducing, and it's just there, then I'm gonna take it off. If there's actually something there that's in between it that's blocking it, we'll go ahead and take a look at that, and if it needs to get fixed, we'll fix it. That's basically it. So I will see you guys basically tomorrow. Alright, now we're back here at my house, and I'm just gonna get under here. So let me just set this little guy up here. So now, being back here at home, this is the heat shield that I said, and it doesn't seem like it's really protecting or covering anything. And you can see here there's a little crack already here and there. I can't see where it's supposed to be grabbing from. I see. Here, let me see if I can show you guys from here. Alright, but you guys can see there, that's where it broke off. That little circle there. So all I'm going to do is, instead of keeping this on, because I'm looking at it and there's really nothing it really protects. I mean, the little, I'm guessing that's my gas can there. But it is a really good distance away from it. I don't think it will hurt it, since it's not going to be touching it. So all I'm going to be doing is removing these two bolts there. There's one on the other side, and then putting it back just to keep the rest of the heat shield there. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so you guys can see it. I've already pulled this off here, and really it's just like flimsy aluminum. That's all it is, really. And that is your heat shield. So just two 10mm bolts, and then there's another one up there. That's the one that ripped. Actually, I think there's two of them that were there that ripped. You could buy washers, but that's really big washers. I'm just gonna take this off. I thought it was really like some sort of hard material, but I guess it's just aluminum, so it really won't make any difference at all. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this. Like I said, 10mm bolt. You don't have to raise your car up to take this off if the back side already came off. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you have any questions, always, comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks guys. Bye.